You 2017 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, heated seats, Bose sound system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, Bluetooth, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.